They said that it was 40 strands. I'm gonna count them. Hey everybody, I hope that you are doing well. I'm Lillian. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel. If it's your first time stopping by, hey. And if it's not your first time, if you're a repeat offender, thank you so much for stopping by my channel again. Today, we have got to do something about this hair. As you know, I have been wearing this 27 and 30 mix for a little while if you've been following my channel. So I decided that I'm going to do something really cute for the summer, and we are going to be trying out Ywigs, okay, their crochet hair. So if you're interested to see what I'm doing, how I achieve this look, what I think about this company and all of that, please stick around. There's so much about me, more than the eye can see, but I'm so glad to be no one to me. Now throughout this channel, you're going to see a few things. You're going to see beauty, lifestyle, fashion, fragrances, fun, family, all of that kind of thing, okay? So if that's something that you think you'd be interested in, I want you to make sure that you connect with me. Make sure that you comment down below. Hit that bell so that you can be notified anytime I have an upload. You've got to subscribe, of course, and then make sure that you thumbs up this video, okay? Now, on to the video. One thing that I can definitely say is that this is not necessarily a tutorial. I am reviewing this hair, okay? Many of you have seen a million videos. There are a million videos on how to do this, right? There are a million videos on how to do the crochet look and all of that. You've got that down pat. My main thing is I wanted to review the Ywigs company, and I wanted to do it with this color hair. I haven't seen that many people use this color. I've got 27 and 30. I haven't seen that many people review these colors, so I wanted to make sure that I did that for you, okay? So here we go. This is not my first time wearing Ywigs hair. I have, if you've been seeing most of my videos where my hair is in box braids using this hair, I have used it then. And then I think that I had it when I had some knotless braids as well. So if you've seen that, then you're familiar with this company. If you've seen those videos, then yes, for the most part I was wearing this hair, and so now I'm really trying to see if I want to continue with this company. Should we or should we not? And so we're just gonna go forward and see what we come up with, but I really like how the look came out. Now on to the video. Okay, so as you can see now, I did get my hair braided. I wanted to make sure that I had a good base, and rather than trying to do it myself, I just allowed for someone else to do it. I went to a random African hair braiding place in my area. I promise you, I just Googled it just to see if they had any availability. It took maybe 40 minutes for her to finally finish. They had a little situation in between, so I just wanted to let somebody else do it. I showed them a picture and I said, go ahead, you know. They charged me $85. I thought that was a lot, but she said because it was a little bit complicated, not really complicated, but it's not where you're braiding just straight back, where she had to kind of stop and do some parting. So I guess that was the little complicated part, or the intricate part, if you will. So I just said, well, we'll just go ahead and go with it. So this is my braid pattern. As you can see, she gave me 1, 2, 3, 4, looks like 5. Looks like 5. As you can see, my hair, she did try to kind of crochet it and tuck it. But that's all that's left out here. Gave me a little bit back here. So this is the braid pattern. This is what we're doing. So here we go. All right. So the hair that I have is from Ywigs. And let me just tell you, I have seen this all over the internet, all over YouTube. So I decided, let me go ahead and try, spend my own money. I didn't say anything special. I didn't say anything like that. I said, I want to see what they're going to send me. Okay, so you know that I love that 27-30 mix. I have been getting my hair braided, and what ended up happening is the last time I had knotless braids. Usually I get box braids and it looks so good. It's really, really pretty. But what happened with those knotless braids is I had a lot of breakage. My 4C hair is just too soft. It cannot hold those long braids when I get knotless. It just can't. I've had knotless several times, and I promise you, every time it's like there's some type of failure there, and then I have breakage like this. I have like in different spots in my head. I don't want that to happen again. So from now on, if I want that style, either I'm gonna go with crochet or I'm just gonna go with box braids. I won't do that knotless thing again, okay? So that works for me. Some people can handle it. My hair just cannot, all right? So let's go into what we have. So we have, all of these are 24 inches. This is one pack of 27. Sorry if it's loud there. One pack of 27. Another pack of 27. Of course, it's 24 inches, it says. And then, okay. So there, it came with a clip, so you definitely need that. Everything came in a box, and then everything was in this bag. All right, so I've got 130 and two 27s. And it came with a needle. Okay, so that's good. It came with a brand new needle. I actually have several, so thank you for that. I guess I can use them for my daughter's hair, for my hair, whatever. I'm growing my hair back out. I have good plans, okay? So I have that, and then the hair. Let's take a look at the hair. Okay, one thing that I see here, as you can see, it is going to be a beautiful mix. This is all the hair that I have. I really hope it's going to be enough. So the way that the hair came, it came with like 2 bundles like this. They said that it was 40 strands. I'm gonna count them. It's 40 strands in each box. Feels soft. No smell, really. No smell at all. That's good. It looks pretty good. I mean, as you can see, these braids are pretty small. I do like that the hair is human here. Of course, the braid is synthetic, but the hair is human. So I plan on using this over and over and over again, okay? So very nice. Very nice. The wave pattern here is pretty. So I know when I put a little bit of product on it, some water, maybe some leave-in conditioner, I know that that's going to come out really, really well. It looks like it's going to come out really good. Everything is in good shape. One thing that I have noticed, though, here's the 30 and here's the 27. Let me just get one. All right, so here's the 30 and here's the 27. As you can see with the 30, they are both are 24 inches, but that 30, as you can see, the wave pattern or the curl pattern is just a little bit looser, okay, which is not necessarily a problem. Oh, look, when I just put them like this, you know, just mixing them up, that's gonna be so cute. Okay, so as you can see, it is just a little bit looser, and I wish they were like, you know, the same, but I guess you couldn't really get identical, you know what I mean? So I guess we'll just have to work with it. As you can see, I have not colored my hair. I'm not there yet. I just feel like I need to wait a little bit, let my hair get stronger, grow it a little bit, and then I plan on going maybe 27 or maybe 30. I plan on going a little bit lighter, but yeah, this is the hair. This is a lot of strands. So in all, I purchased 120 strands. I highly doubt that I'm gonna need 120 strands in my head, but I do have them, so I can definitely use them interchangeably. I am going to do that. I'm probably going to use more of the 27 than I am going to use the 30, but we'll see. We'll go from there, okay? So let's get started. I'm going to find somewhere to put all this, okay? One thing I can say about this hair that I've noticed right off, and I don't think I saw that in any other videos, is that this hair, each strand is pretty much uniform. And so what I've noticed is that I started kind of putting some in just to kind of try them out and see what I liked. But what I have noticed is that these are very uniform. Like, what I mean by that is they pretty much have, each one of them pretty much have the same amount of hair, if that makes sense. So like right here, let me show you what I mean. Okay, so you've got a strand up here about 1.5 inches down, and then there's another one here on the other side, kind of like a tree. I mean, absolutely perfect. Knotted here at the bottom. Then you have your human hair, right? If I pick up another one, it's the same thing. Right here about 1 inch, 1.5 inches. Same thing on the other side. Well, let me turn it around. Now you can see that they are the exact same. All of them are like that. When you purchase other hair, like I was wearing this Free Tress brand. This is the Rebel Boho. Really, really cute. I didn't get this color, of course. But what I noticed about these, and I got several different colors, but what I noticed, and I kind of separated them, some of them, and I'm just showing you this just for the purposes of you being able to see it, because I'm not wearing this hair anymore. And I had plenty, as you can see, left over. But like, there were some, these are all of the ones from several packs that didn't have any of the boho up here, only at the bottom, right? And then there are some in the bag that were like kind of in the middle. Then there are some in the bag where they come right here at the top. So I wanted these kind of in the front area. What I like about this hair, and this is the only human hair brand that I've purchased. I haven't purchased the other one, or any other ones. But what I like is that they are all uniform. I can just pick it up and go. I don't need to try to see and separate which one is which, because I don't want this part, I don't want any hair like this to be in the front and then have the hair that's like this up at the top, you know, in the back, and then it just wouldn't look right, right? So the way that I did it is I had to make sure that the hair, that the little curls and stuff were more toward the top, and then the longer parts that didn't have really any of the curls, I had to make sure that that was in the back or closer to the back or in the middle, so that it would go. I hope that makes sense. I've used this company before, and now I'm remembering now why I did not review this company before. This is my first time using the crochet hair, but I have used the hair for like box braids and things like that, and it's always been in this 27 and 30. Now I'm remembering. So the 30 feels a little bit better than the 27. It feels a little bit softer than the 27. Please excuse my little friend here. But I'm remembering now why I hadn't purchased this hair before, or why I haven't talked about it. It was because it tangled a little bit more on me and all of that. Whenever you watch these videos, a lot of times you will be watching the video of someone who gets the hair in maybe a 2 or a 1B, around that color. This is just not as soft and smooth as the 30. So I'm sure that when they get that black hair, that it's probably absolutely gorgeous. It's still nice, don't get me wrong, but it's just not as wonderful as a lot of people have said before. So keep that in mind. If you are getting a different color, you may have to think about that if you are purchasing a different color or a lighter color, a color that has been processed, and stuff like that. So one thing that I'm doing is I'm putting the, you see where the hair is, rather than turning it around, I'm actually putting it toward the front, okay? So that when I crochet and the hair comes through, the human hair can kind of be at the forefront, if you can see that. And so you gotta kind of play with it, because that human hair is very, very soft compared to the other neon synthetic. left of the 30. A whole nother bundle left of the 27. Okay, so here is the finished look. I still have quite a bit of hair left, as you can see. Plenty of the 30, and then of course even more of the 27. So I'm gonna lay these out really neatly and go ahead and put them back in the bags. But I am very pleased with how this came out. Put pieces in, but this is not heavy. It's definitely not nearly as heavy as my knotless braids were. And like I said, my knotless braids were just way too heavy for my my hair. Some of you can wear them. I know you probably can, but they just don't work for me. And so I just decided, rather than sitting forever for 6 hours, 8 hours getting box braids, I'm just gonna go ahead and do these. So I'm just putting a little water just a little water so I can see what I have with the curl pattern. Oh yeah, I'm gonna add some more here just to see what I have with the curl pattern, and that's pretty much it. I do have just a little bit of this setting lotion. I guess I could put some on it just to see what it's gonna do. Well, as you can see, this is the finished look. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, I want to know about it. Please make sure that you comment down below. Give me a thumbs up. That really pushes my videos through. Also, make sure that you subscribe and then hit the bell so that you can be notified anytime I have an upload. How are you going to know that I have uploaded a video if you don't hit the bell? Make sure that you do that, all right? Thank you again so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in another video. Bye.